Devastating tornado strikes Michigan, U.S. Unimaginable destruction unfolds. A powerful tornado has wrought unimaginable destruction in multiple areas of Chiawasi County, Michigan. The severe weather event, particularly impacting the city of Perry, has left a trail of damage and chaos in its wake. Reports flooded in of a funnel cloud spotted near Perry on Friday evening, marking the onset of a catastrophic weather phenomenon. Residents captured the unfolding catastrophe on social media, sharing videos and images of the funnel cloud as it moved menacingly towards the city. The tornado made landfall around 8 p.m., with emergency crews swiftly responding to the ensuing destruction. Officers and multiple emergency service agencies assessed the extensive damage and worked diligently to clear debris in Perry. Preliminary assessments indicated that the tornado was an EF1, carrying a maximum wind speed of 86 to 100 miles per hour. The impact was devastating, with numerous reports of downed trees and structural damage. Despite the severity of the situation, no injuries had been reported by Friday night. The tornado's path of destruction was broad, affecting several key areas in Perry. City Hall, the Department of Public Works, Carriage Powley Street, West Main Street, and a park pavilion were among the hardest hit locations. The park pavilion even collapsed under the force of the tornado. The tornado carved through the downtown area and south of the railroad tracks, causing significant damage to businesses and uprooting numerous large trees. The magnitude of the event was felt across Perry as power outages hit, with nearly 675 customers in the vicinity of M52 south of I-69 facing electricity loss. These outages even affected the city's sewer lift stations, running on backup power. Recovery efforts swung into action swiftly, with crews working to clear roads of debris and fallen trees to enable traffic flow. This was crucial for consumers' energy tracks to access the city and initiate power restoration. Although tornado warnings had expired by 9:30 p.m. As the storm system weakened and moved eastward, a flash flood warning remained in effect for the Flynn area until 11:45 p.m. The region had been inundated with 1 to 3 inches of rain. Overwhelming storm sewer systems and causing further challenges in the aftermath of the tornado. The harrowing event serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable and destructive nature of tornadoes, and the need for communities to remain vigilant, prepared, and united in the face of such catastrophic weather events.